Hello guys, it's me. Today we are recording with a cat. It's cute. Oh. Are you ready to get posted to YouTube? Shh, shh, shh. Nipples. Nipples. I mean chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Say something. Perfect. And for me, he likes moving like this. And I just fed him. Look at this. Isn't he cute? Wow. You ready? Hit the 1 minute mark. 1 minute 29. But our cat is still. Oh, seems like he wants a belly rub. Whoa, he is very excited for a belly rub. Outside. 1, 2, 3. One of these holes. That's outside. Yeah. 1:59 and up 2:02. We hit the 2 minute mark. Just looking at my cat. So you guys can watch my cat adore himself. I'll be doing something else. Whoa, why is my camera like this? Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's almost hitting my mouth. I'm trying to stabilize my camera. Yeah, now you'll get a solid couple minutes of my cat. Oh, it's gone. Whoa, what's happened to the camera? Okay, goodbye. Hello guys, I'm back. 3:56. That's where I want to end it. Grab the camera. So like, subscribe, share, and bye. I need to turn my camera. Chocolate milk, say bye.